Construct is an education nonprofit. We build and run student design challenges that link industry partners with thousands of students in their communities. Design challenges get students out of their classroom, learning how to work in teams, think creatively, and use a bias towards action mindset to move through idea generation into prototyping and testing new solutions.
Our solution is to create a partnership with the state of Oregon and other utility providers for a unifying app called Ride Rewards that tracks rewards towards EV ownership and utility discounts.
Working with industry mentors, ignite and inspire students to approach problems as opportunities for innovation.
So I've actually been doing design thinking for well over a decade. I have to say, I think that was the best low-fidelity prototype I've ever seen.
They run on electromagnetic nanotechnology.
In the future of Oregon transportation, industry partners PGE, Pacific Power, TriMet, and the Clean Fuels Fund gave students an ambitious goal: help meet Oregon's commitment to cut carbon emission by 50% in 10 years.
We know that kids are really anxious about climate change. Like, how can we give them information and skills to feel empowered so that they feel like they can tackle a piece of this challenge?
Construct Foundation, I think it's inspiring what you're doing.
Having a closer relationship with industry and having that voice at the table to say, we really need our kids coming out of school to be prepared with this skill set.
Raise awareness about issues that matter to your industry. Introduce future employees to the exciting projects happening at your company. Let Construct design a student challenge to elevate and accelerate your vision. Contact us today.